Welcome to another eye-opening episode of Home Improvement Stories. Today we are diving into a cautionary tale every homeowner should hear. It's a story of good intentions gone awry. Let's call the homeowner of this story John, an eager DIY enthusiast who learned some tough lessons about basement remodeling the hard way. John's journey began with a vision. He wanted to transform his basement into a cozy, soundproof oasis for family movie nights. But in his eagerness to save money, he made a critical mistake of hiring the wrong person for the job. The first red flag was the absence of proper HVAC ducts and registers. A basement without proper ventilation, far from the inviting space he had envisioned. But the surprises didn't end there. Outlets that stood unusually tall from the wall. Another discovery was the lack of smoke detector. Safety should always be a top priority. In the end, John's basement remodel was riddled with mistakes, and he learned a valuable lesson about the importance of hiring trusted professionals and conducting thorough research before embarking on a home improvement project. John's story is a powerful reminder that shortcuts can lead to a long-term regrets regarding home improvement. Please leave us your comments, like, share, and subscribe for more captivating stories for home improvement projects. Together, we can make every house a dream home.